My name is Simon Vickers and I'm the owner and chef for the Griffin. Yeah, the Griffin is nearly 300 years old. It's a very traditional pub right here on the seafront here in Dale. It's at one stage about 14 pubs in the village, and the Griffin is the only one that's left here now. We've become really well known for our seafood, which happened purely by accident. We never really set out to do it, but we had two local fishermen that turned up one day with 2 boxes of fish, and over the last couple of years we've actually been named best seafood establishment in Wales. We're very, very lucky where we are. So there's probably between 8 and 10 different species, and then a bit of shellfish as well. So it's, it is a good range for such a small area for us. It is very seasonal. It allows us to change our menu. We do get a lot of repeat business, so it's quite nice that we're having different dishes on when people are coming in. Although people do like they've got their classics that they like. But it is nice for us. It makes us try different dishes as well, which is nice. I'd say our employment, we probably employ in the height of the season around about 28 people, and I'd say that's probably 50% would be locals, if not a bit more. So we've got students that are coming back. So we've got a good rapport with some of the local sort of families and staff. I mean, we've got some local fishermen based here in the village. We've also got some scallop divers, the only 2 scallop divers here in Wales. Some of our customers will actually see people coming in with the fish, and they'll see fishermen walking up the pontoon here, and they'll see the scallop boat coming in. We've had people actually waiting for lobster. They've sat here with an extra bottle of wine, and they're quite happy just to sit and enjoy the atmosphere. Well, we work with a couple of local fishermen, but we also work with a couple of local wholesalers, and they're dealing with day boats. So we're sort of speaking to them almost on a daily basis, and they're letting us know what's possibly going to come in. I mean, at the moment, obviously with these storms, the fish has been very thin on the ground, which is a bit of a shame. But so that we do work very closely with them. And there's one in Milford, and we also work within Swansea as well.